In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of converting PDF files using the RecoveryTools PDF Converter tool. To install our PDF conversion tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with Select File or Select Folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. After selecting the folder, click the Select Folder option below. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select individual files or an entire folder that you want to convert. Click Next. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select XLSX option for this tutorial. The Destination Path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. Save converted documents in same source folder option saves the converted files in the same folder as the source files instead of creating a new folder. Extract portfolios option extracts files from a PDF portfolio. It is useful when the PDF contains embedded documents. Next, simply click the Convert button, and the conversion process will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the conversion was successful. Click OK to open the destination folder and access the newly converted files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.